Ronilin Cabigas. For the soul, prayer for the souls of Agostina Fronda, Kennedy Senior and Iris, and all the souls in purgatory.
Hi guys!
Magsimba kami guys. Ate. Cotton candy. Meron din yan sa malapit sa simbahan. Mamaya, bili tayo mamaya. Pag-uwi. Say hi.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi guys!
Ate. Dito na po kami sa simbahan guys. Ito na po yung simbahan ng San Lorenzo guys. Ito po yung simbahan ng San Lorenzo guys. Dito po kami nagsisimba guys. Mag-extend na lang po.
Bon Richelfi sa Diocesan Shrine of Parish of Our Lady of Abandon ng June 15, 2024. Mapapagal Jerry M. at Tolentino Lara Jen G. Sa St. Peter Apostles Parish ng June 26, 2024. Luklok Nat Mr. Y. at Atletes Rosalyn C. sa St. Anthony of Padua Shrine ng June 18, 2024. And Pinto Eric N. at Ilatore Rachel sa San Lorenzo Ruiz Parish ng May 25, 2024. Let us say conclude in our prayers to follow God, Ronilin Cabigas. Prayer for the souls of Agostina Fronda, Kennedy Senior and Iris, and all the souls in purgatory.
Remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love, just I have kept my Father's commandments and remain in his love. I have told you this so that my joy may be in you, and your joy might be complete. This is my commandment. Love one another as I have loved you. No one has greater love than this, to lay down one's life for one's friend. Because a slave does not know what his master is doing. I have called you friends, because I have told you everything I have heard from my Father. It was not you who chose me, but I who chose you, and appointed you to go and bear fruit that will remain, so that whatever you ask of the Father in my name, he may give you. This I command you, love one another. Brothers and sisters, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
tayo ay bibili ng tasa. Tasa na pang kape. Kasi yung tasa ko basag na. Ate, dito ate. Marami pong paninda dito guys. Kami po ay bibili ng tasa. Saan ba yung tasa dito? Tasa. Kabila ata. Bilisan mo. Napakadilim naman dito. Wala man lang kailaw-ilaw kahit isa. Kami po ay pauwi na guys, galing simbahan. Ate. Napakatahimik sa street na to. Wala man ang katao-tao. Walang ingay.
Bags, susunod sa ako, yan ko nun. Tumira ng pagkain na lahat, bininta ko. Hindi alam ng pagkutas ka. Pagkulit ng buong bahay. Wala na pong bayad sa magtatayo sa magagawa. Hindi na bumina ko nung kaya sinarili ko ng paggawa. Ako mismo gumawa. Natutong magtayo ng bahay na bato sa sarili ko mismo na bahay. Kahit ating gabi, pumunta ako sa albularyo, dala ko sila, pagpapagamot lang.